know, I know there's some of you go down to Beaumont from time to time. I know you don't like to have to go, but you hate to leave God's paradise up here and go down to Beaumont from time to time. And have you ever noticed that when you go down there during the week, you almost always get run over by a white SUV? It almost always. Does anybody remember Gordon Baxter and Al Caldwell talking about ladies known as West End Wandas out there? West End Wanda was a lady drive that typically it's going to be somebody driving a white SUV. She's got a little soccer ball back on the back, and she's active in all of the social programs there is in Beaumont. Her husband just working from daylight to dark, and her world exists around that SUV and moving around town. And a friend of mine I was working with, he said, my wife is a West End Wanda. He said, I want you to write a song about that for me. And I said, okay, I'll do that. So I'm going to be obliged to give you this little song called West End Wanda, another little band that we had together. We recorded it, and it's actually for sale on iTunes under the name of West End Wanda. You can go find it. But
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, just don't let them run over you when you get down to Beaumont. She wakes up every morning in a new world every day. Her thoughts are all of junior league or maybe PTA. She sends her kids to private school, she thinks they go for free. And her husband has to work 2 jobs to satisfy her greed. She's a West End Wanda and she won't drive a Honda. She thinks money grows on trees. She'll drive a Honda Beamer and she's really a schemer, but she'll settle for a white SUV. She makes her plans for lunch with Kelly and Janelle. She'll stop off at the mall to get her hair done and her nails. Then it's off to Dillard's with her friends to shop around and clothes. Cause all the things she bought last week are getting kind of old. She's a West End Wanda and she won't drive a Honda. She thinks money grows on trees. She'll drive a Volvo or a Beamer and she's really a schemer, but she'll settle for a white SUV. Add to it time for coffee, cappuccino, or hot tea. A time to chat with friends before she gets the kids at 3. Then it's home to meet her husband where she plans the evening meal. Oh, tonight she'll pick Carrabba's or the macaroni grill. She's a West End Wanda and she won't drive a Honda. She thinks money grows on trees. She'll drive a Volvo or a Beamer and she's really a schemer, but she'll settle for a white SUV. One more time. She's a West End Wanda and she won't drive a Honda. She thinks money grows on trees. She'll drive a Volvo or a Beamer and she's really a schemer, but she'll settle for a white SUV. Yeah, she'll settle for a white SUV.